Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can block specific websites over on Google Chrome. So in order to do this, it's actually quite easy. So the first thing you need to do is actually head over to the Google Chrome extension store basically, because there's no way to do this within the settings app of Google Chrome basically. There's no way in order to do that. Luckily we do have some extensions for it. So in order to do that, go to chromewebstore.google.com. And what we're then going to do is to go to that search bar at the top right, and we're going to simply type in block site, just like this. Once you've done that, I would recommend choosing this one with this icon. In my opinion, it's the easiest and the best one out there, and it's completely free as well. So what you're going to do is you can add to Chrome and then click on add extension. Basically, once you've done that, what you can do is literally go to any website just like this. So for example, Wikipedia. Once I've done that, I can go to the right mouse click and then I can simply click block this domain. So normally you will not have this option, of course, you will only have inspect and all those kind of things. Just click on block this domain and then you will notice that when you refresh, basically you're not capable of seeing that website because you have it blocked. Now let's say that you want to unblock it. What you can simply do is open that extension again, just like this. And then right here you'll find all of your extensions. In order to remove it, click on that X, just like this. And once you've done that, you can simply head over to Wikipedia again. And as you guys can see, you will now be able to basically enter it again. And that's literally all you need to do. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.